Welcome to our fascinating journey into the world of cranes. Have you ever wondered how these towering machines manage to lift such heavy loads with precision and efficiency? Well, stick around as we unravel the mechanics behind how a crane works. Cranes have been essential tools in construction and engineering for centuries, evolving from simple pulley systems to the complex machines we see today. At their core, cranes use basic principles of physics, particularly leverage and balance, to lift and move heavy objects. Let's start with the main components. A crane typically consists of a mast, jib, counterweights, and an operator's cabin. The mast is the vertical part of the crane, providing height and support. Extending from the mast is the jib or boom, which is the horizontal arm used to move loads. Counterweights are crucial. They balance the crane by counteracting the weight of the load, ensuring stability. Inside the cabin, the operator controls the crane's movements with precision. When lifting, the crane's pulley system, sometimes equipped with a hoist, plays a crucial role. The hoist is a device used for lifting or lowering a load by means of a drum or lift wheel around which rope or chain wraps. When the operator engages the hoist, it winds or unwinds the cable threaded through the pulleys, providing the mechanical advantage needed to lift heavy loads with ease. This system reduces the amount of force required to lift heavy objects, demonstrating the wonder of mechanical engineering. Balance is key. The crane achieves balance by keeping the counterweights aligned against the weight of the load. Without this equilibrium, the crane risks toppling over. Modern cranes are equipped with sophisticated technology to enhance precision and safety. Load sensors, computers, and cameras aid operators in maneuvering loads accurately and safely. Beyond construction sites, cranes are used in shipyards, in the transport of goods, and in rescue operations. Understanding the science and mechanics behind cranes offers insight into the ingenuity of human engineering and the power of simple machines. So next time you see a crane, you'll have a deeper appreciation for the complex yet elegant mechanism that makes modern construction possible. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell for notifications of more intriguing explorations into the world of engineering.